What's up everyone, it's Jake. I'm here to show you how to fix Black Ops 2. I have not seen a video on this, but I saw someone in the comments section show me how to fix it. So this is what you do. So you're on the cross media bar here, you're about to load up Black Ops 2. So you're going to go to your account management, you're going to hit triangle, and then click sign out. Once you sign out of your account, you're going to go back to Black Ops 2. You're still under your account, you're just not signed into PSN. So we're going to load up Black Ops 2, and just give it a second. So you're going to basically go through this entire screen, and of course if you did reset your PSN ID, it's probably going to ask you for like all the setup stuff, including like the screen orientation and whatnot. So I'm just going to let this load. You guys may skip the video if you feel the need to, because this is going to be kind of long. Okay, so what you need to do, I'm going to press start, and then it's going to load all the information on here. So you have to do this every time. I hate to say it, but it sucks. Yes, allow graphic content. Okay, we'll go to multiplayer, and you're still not signed into PSN yet. You're still on offline, like I told you in the beginning of the video. So you're loading up Black Ops 2, and then you're gonna go to local. Just start the match. Don't even bother like making any changes or nothing. It won't really matter as long as you go to into a local game. So once all this loads, you're immediately going to jump in, and as soon as you jump in, end the game immediately. You don't have to run around or do nothing. Okay, so once you've done that, you basically go back. Yes, I want to leave. And then you're going to click play online. I'm going to hide my PSN information. And then it'll show the connecting to online. Because by then it would be freezing right now. But at the moment it's not, which is great. And now just click play online, and boom, you're back online. So I'm so happy. Whoever commented these steps to do it, I really appreciate it. This is the video version of those comments. If anyone is wondering how to specifically do it, this is the video you gotta look at. So I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.